我要是跟你说了这事儿，你肯定觉得我疯了。
我一直都觉得你是疯的
啊？
至少是半疯。
有吗？我什么时候啊？
你不记得啦？我记得有一次，你确信你是全世界用鼻孔吹纸球吹得最远的人。
是我吗？我怎么不记得？
你还联系了吉尼斯世界纪录呢。还有一次啊，你和李飞比赛，看谁能不喘气，把周星驰那几段经典台词一口气背下来。
这不算什么吧？
结果因为缺氧都送医院了，还不算什么呀？你也够倔的。还有那次，你飞出香山顶上，能同时看到日出和月落，拉我在山顶上等了一晚上。结果第二天阴天，什么都没看到，反而把我给冻坏了。
Scientific discoveries have increased material civilization. There is in existence a stupendous force, as yet, happily, undiscovered by man. Let us supplicate God that this force may not be discovered by science until spiritual civilization shall dominate the human mind. In the hands of men of lower material nature, this power would be able to destroy the whole earth. Well, the friends, wondering, said, how is it possible that having spent all his life imprisoned in an eastern fortress, he should so well understand the world's problems and possess the wisdom to solve them so simply?
Because no idealism, when it is strong and true, exists without endorsement of realism. There is nothing more real than his words on truth. His words are as simple as sunlight. Again, like sunlight, they are universal. No teacher, I think, is more important today than Abdul Baha.